Hello guys, today we are playing Terraria. And as you can see, I just spawned, just like last video. I destroyed the house. I just noticed I did not put a bed, and this is my spawn point. So last video we ended where we built this house for the NPC. So now what we need to do is find some ores. And he did it again. There you go. You did it again. This is not okay. I think I need to take this down, and maybe he'll come down. Okay, so now he's down. He should be able to walk in this house. So where we left off is where we found the recall potion. It's not a magic mirror, but it's gonna do the same thing. And we are now going to collect some woods. Oh, God, I can't even. Okay. Alright, so now we are going to hold on. I come back. Okay. That was a misplaced. Alright. So we need okay. Alright, so it's nighttime, and this Demon has 66 health. I cannot take it down. I know how much damage this does. As you can see, I'm gonna die by doing this. So let's teleport back home. Of course, I just ripped his. I'm sorry, sir. Very sorry. And I messed up again. How about that? Okay. So as you can see, I was not able to go in the cave because of these monsters. So we're gonna stay here until dawn. But of course we have another solution. We always have another solution. We could... Okay, so here we're gonna do. We gotta build... Ooh, some ice switches. Alright, nice. So we're gonna try to build... a stove. Or furnace, that's what you call. Ooh, is that a yo-yo? 9 melee damage, how much this does? This does 5, so we're gonna take the yo-yo. Hopefully, and zombies are already coming down. Let's see how much this does. Okay, not bad. Pretty not bad. Not bad at all. But okay, at least we could go over here. Let's try to take this guy down. Alright, he's dead now. So as I mentioned before, we are going to try to make the stove furnace. And to do that, we need to get some stones and some torches, I believe. So we're gonna mine and go ahead and get the furnace. Oh, okay. You interrupted me. Oh my God, the range is so bad. But still, oh, 15 damage. Okay. I see you, Yo-Yo. Okay, Yo-Yo. Alright. Oh, wait, hold on. This is demonic Yo-Yo. Oh, okay, alright. So the demonic Yo-Yo. Alright, that's cool. So we can make an iron anvil, which allows us to make other weapons, armor, and other stuff. But we are trying to what is that? Oh, a trapdoor. Okay, we are trying to make the furnace, and I do not see the furnace. Wow. Okay, so let's do this. Let's get this. Ooh, achievement. Okay, so let's get this. Where should I place it? I don't have a house. Hold on. Let's make a little base over here. Okay, so now we just made a little base. We can put the anvil here. And see, look at that. Now we can make the furnace, allow us to melt down more ores. Okay, so now, okay, yes, exactly what I just wanted. Okay, give me, yeah, there we go. Copper. So we can make an iron level, but it'll be done because we already have one. A heavy workbench. That's not gonna be useful. A minecart. When we see what you call it? When we see a mine, then we use that right now. But for now, we are trying to survive out here, people. Oh, wait, hold on. A pink. Okay, pink vase. Okay. Now, something is going on in my game when I scroll. Is whenever I scroll like this, I can't stop. Watch. Okay, you can hear me scrolling. Okay, now I'm stopped. I didn't scroll anymore. Okay, see? So what should we gonna make? Okay, so we got a yo-yo. I'm planning to do is get more ores to get our armor and swords. That's our plan, to get armor and a better sword or yo-yo, maybe. But we gotta wait until day. So yeah, let's just wait till day. Yeah, just sitting on a campfire. Yeah. Okay, alright, you know what? Never mind. I will not sit here and do nothing. Okay. I'm not gonna sit there and do nothing. Okay, let's do this. Let's get some more stones. And let's just make a little base over here. You know, I haven't actually tried make a underground base. This is my first time ever making an underground base. So, yeah. Alright, so we're done making another, I guess, 6 or 7 more blocks away to mine. And as you can tell, I just got stone. So maybe we can make something. So let's search up. Oh, that's fine. Actually, we can just, yeah, we can do that. Okay, so what we can make? We could make platforms so we can get up here, because soon this thing, all of this, if you see this video and you see all of this in the future video, yeah, it's gonna be crazy. So I'm planning to make Frozens or the underground ones. I mean the underworld ones. I know those underworld platforms. Obsidian. I believe that's what it's called. Let's see. Yeah, there's nothing to make. Let's see. We do not have armor. So okay, so let's see. A short under bronze or a wooden. It's 10 melee damage. So hopefully we get something good. Ready? And we just got a slow iron bronze sword. How about that? I don't know. So we got range damage and melee. So we can't go up there because it's not safe. Actually, right now, I don't want to waste my wood or anything. But right now, let's make some armor real quick for us. It should give us bonus. Maybe, I don't know. Alright. The bonus is 1 more defense. Alright, good. That's actually good. So you have about 4 more defense, I guess. Yeah, 4 more defense. You can tell it. 3. What? Okay, you know what, never mind. It's 3 then. I guess that wooden leg is done. Oh my, yeah, we have a battle here. Ooh, let's, go find ores. Oh god. Hey man, I don't have any. Ooh, recall potions! Nice, okay. Yes. Perfect. Now we can go home easily. Where is it? There it is. Oh my god, yes. Finally, we have something we can actually go. But that would be bad as well because we're gonna. Whatever. Okay. Oh no! That just happened, and I think you guys just saw the heart. And believe it or not, I guess if you Terrarians people play this game, or you guys don't know, that increases my health. Oh god. Also, the stars increases my mana magic. Oh wait. How did that? All right. I think I just hacked the game. I just went through the door. That's not supposed to happen. This thing is gonna get one shot. Two shot. Nice. So let's go in the furnace. And I think we have enough copper to make 1 bar or 2. 5. I'll take it. So what we can make with 5. Pretty old, pretty the same. Now we could, let's do this. Let's get a bow because I don't like the yo-yo. Yo-yo is like OP and everything, but I want something that can like destroy enemies fast. So what we're gonna do is get a bow. Hey, what about that? 5 critical strike chance. Arrows. Okay, so first we need some arrows. So now, why is it not? Oh yeah, I have 8 more. Pretty sure this whole thing right here is gonna be useless. So, also, now we could put our chest over here. So this will be like ore and stuff like that. Now, can we make another chest? I really do need another chest. Another chest. No, okay. Okay, so now it's daytime. Let's check the map. I wanna. Okay. So. Ooh, that's where we died. Okay. There it is. I want to go back down there and get that. Okay, our mission is to get that. Alright. Let's start now. Oh god. Oh. Okay. I thought I almost died. We're here now. Also, okay, so there's a cabinet over here. Or an abandoned house. Okay, alright. So, hey, slime, don't mess me up. I have low health. Give me this, give me this. Increased. Awesome. Oh, what we have here? Okay. Okay. Oh wait, hold on. What I just witnessed? What did I just grab again? Oh, yes. Oh, no. Awesome. So now this will allow us to jump more. And there's a chest over here. Let's take that. Looks like, who's this? Okay. Oh yes, thank you for that health. I think nothing is down here. Nope. Alright, let's see this cool jump ability. Ooh, look at that. That is sick. Okay. Awesome. So we got double jump. Awesome. Alright. Let's get back home. Okay, sorry. Again and again. Oops, I did the same mistake. So now we have a, what's it called? Blizzard in a bottle. We have that now. Plus we have an ice chest. This is gonna look sick. A row of chests with different items. That would be cool. Now I believe let's put like items to place with. So that let's place with that. So range. So let's see if we can make anything else. Ooh, a frozen campfire. That's cool. Alright, let's grab that and place it. I want to place it somewhere. Like, let's place it. That's not gonna work out. Let's place it over here for the meantime. Alright guys, so I'm gonna end the video right here. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, leave a like and subscribe for more.